Hello, this is my short tutorial for how to make the Ouroboros design that I created for my short podcast. This will include a lot of key elements of Illustrator, and I feel like it's a good short lesson. First, you should create a new file that is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Here, I'm just going to create a new artboard. Then, you should select the rectangle tool and create a rectangle that covers the entire artboard. If there's a stroke automatically applied, make sure that you set it to none. Then you click Fill and bring every element down to 0 to create pure black. You're going to want to lock this object in place, and you can do that by either pressing Ctrl 2 on Windows or Command 2 on Mac. If you need to unlock it, right-click, hover over Unlock, and click the object. Now, to create the main body, go back to the Rectangle tool, right-click, and click Ellipse tool. Then you click, and you type in 500 by 500. The fill should be set to none, and the stroke should be set to 100. For now, we're going to color it white. To align it to the center, click Horizontal Align and Vertical Align. To get this shape, open up the Stroke panel. If it's not already open, go to Window and click on Stroke. Then click Profile and select this triangle. Then select it again, hover near one of the corners, hold down Shift, click, and then rotate it 90 degrees. To apply the gradient, select it, go into the Swatches window, click this, go to Gradients and Spectrums, and then you're going to want to click Medium Spectrum. If it automatically sets it to fill, such as this, then click Swap Fill and Stroke. This may reset the stroke, so make sure to type it in as 100 again. And this also may reset the profile. Now, in order to have it go across the stroke, you should click the second option. Now, make another circle that this time is 100 by 100 pixels. It will likely have the stroke applied. You're going to want to set it to 0 and then set Fill to black. Now, you should select the Direct Selection tool, drag over about half of it, and then press Delete. And if one of them is left over like that, then make sure that you delete that too. Now we have a half circle. You should drag it up and make sure that you have Smart Guides on in View, Smart Guides. And then you want to drag it, and the Smart Guides will automatically align it to the proper placement. Now you're going to want to select this, and then go to Object, Expand Appearance. Now you should select all of it, and then click Group, and now you can align it again. The last step is to add in the eye. The eye is 30 by 30 pixels. There isn't any special way to align this, so it's just an optical alignment. You also need to set the fill to black. If you're curious about where it was exactly placed on the original, it was placed at these coordinates. And now you have the Ouroboros design. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you learn something new about Illustrator.